Hello students, let's start today's English word. In English, today I will teach you some words of sound A. So let's start. First word is mat. How will you write? M A T. Mat. What is this? Mat. What is this? M A T. Mat. Okay. Next word. R A P. Wrap. R A P. Wrap. What is this? R A P. Wrap. Next. M A N. M A N. Man. M A N. Man. Next. First letter we will write small, okay? J A M. J A M. Jam. What is this? J A M. Jam. Next. C. C we will write small. C L A P. Like this, okay? C L A P. Clap. What is this? C L A P. Clap. Next. L A M B. B we will write like this, okay? L A M B. Lamb. L A M B. Lamb. Next. L A N D. Like this, okay? You will write like this. L A N D. Land. L A N D. Land. Next. R A T. Rat. R A T. Rat. Next word. L A. After completing L, we will join with A. L A P. Like this you will Right. L-A-P. Lap. L-A-P. Lap. Next is G-A-P. G-A-P. Gap. G-A-P. Gap. Okay. Next is C L A M. Clam. C-L-A-M. Clam. Next B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. Okay. You will write like this. Next G L A D. Okay. G-L-A-D. Glad. G-L-A-D. Glad. What is this? Glad. Next B. After completing a letter, you will start next letter. Okay. B. After completing B, A D. Like this. B A D. Bad. B A D. Bad. Next is F A N. F A N. Fan. F A N. Fan. Okay. Next C A P. Cap. C A P. Cap. Next M A P. Map. What is this? Map. M A P. Map. Next P A T. Pat. P A T. Pat. Next F L A T. Flat. F L A T. Flat. Next, B A N D. Band. B A N D. Band. What is this? B A N D. Band. Next, T A P. Tap. T A P. Tap. Again we will repeat these words. We will start from first word. And students, like this you will write these words. First letter you will write small. Okay. Don't write capital letter. Okay. M-A-T. Mat. R-A-P. Rap. M-A-N. Man. J-A-M. Jam. C-L-A-P. Clap. What is this? Clap. L-A-M-B. Lamb. L-A-N-D. Land. R-A-T. Rat. L-A-P. Lap. G-A-P. Gap. C-L-A-M. Clam. B-A-G. Bag. G-L-A-D. Glad. B-A-D. Bad. This bad means bad person. Okay, bad people. बुरे लोग जो होते हैं उनके लिए यूज करते हैं B-A-D. Bad. Okay. F-A-N. Fan. C-A-P. Cap. M-A-P. Map. P-A-T. Pat. F-L-A-T. Flat. B-A-N-D. Band. T-A-P. Tap. So you will write these words and you will read also. Okay, you are to write and read these words. Okay students, bye bye.